Adobe. You know that we use it to edit. Premiere Pro, time to test. Open up, name it, do your timeline. Check it. Trying this, razor slicing this, ripples lining this, clips getting closer, your edit ain't over. Every now and then press Control S and use a type tool if you're trying to add some text. An effect will make your clips look so dang fly. Then select a bunch of clips to move more at a time. Just use your eyes. Don't let them overlap. You don't want to play it back and see your screen be black. Know all of this. Edit all your clips using your brain. I'm a Premiere Pro professor, so remember its name. What you gonna edit on?
Adobe.
What you gonna edit on?
Adobe.
If you're using the slip tool because your clip's looking rough, mark out before you get messed up. Cause I'm
Premiere Pro prepped.
From my windows to my
workspace sets.
When I edit, I don't
use presets.
Cause I know that I'm
Premiere Pro
We're
prepped.
gonna
take
you
through all the steps. We're gonna take
you
through all the steps. You choose a lot of effects. Find it, click the arrows down and select. Overwhelmed, use a search bar, use your head. Now you just drag it to the clip you select. You can use the time code and the timeline to see the clip's time, mark out and mark in, change the duration. If you really want to change your audio clips, just right click it and get your audio mixed. Background noise, I think I know how to help. Go to audio effects and the noise yourself.
I don't know how to green screen.
Just soldier key that.
I only want it right here.
Dude, where your mask at? Noise blur sharpens with my transition. This is just a few ways to make it clip for fun. Understand me, son. You want to use all this. They're gonna spice up your biz. Did I say they the slickest there is? So if you finish with your AP redundant, don't go change something. If you're happy with your final finished edits, click what you need, then export your project. Premiere Pro prepped.
From my windows to my
workspace sets.
When I edit, I don't
use presets.
Cause I know that I'm
Premiere Pro
We're
prepped.
gonna
take
you
through all the steps. We're gonna take
you
through all the steps.